Well, hello. The 5%ers have knocked it out the park. And a warm welcome to one and all. Those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers. I am the coffee-driven Scruffy trader. What I'm trying to do is kind of put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way and kind of show you what I get up to on a day-to-day basis. So if that sounds good, please click the little subscribe button, smash the like. Genuinely helps the channel, but more importantly, motivates me to do more of this. Well, today we've got some real good news for you. As some of you may be aware that have followed me for a while, I've been trading a prop firm for the 5%ers. I'm not associated with them in any way. They don't pay me to do this. It all came from my Discord group where a few of the guys were interested, and I did a bit of due diligence by contacting them and had a few chats with the guys there, spoke to a couple of the analysts, and we got on very well. And I ended up trading the fund. At the moment, I'm about 50% through level 1. It's all documented in other videos. And because I'm one of the profitable traders that they have, I'm privy to kind of inside information or information quicker than the norm. And that's what's happened because I touch base with them all the time. I've even done training webinars for them because as much as I check those guys out, they checked me. They saw my statements, saw that what I do is correct, and they wanted me to be part of it. So I did it all off my own back, free of charge, to help you guys. So what they've done in return for my free services is they gave me a link that gives you lot 5% off what they do. So it's kind of one hand rubs the other, but it's done for the love of trading, not for any sort of money gain. And through the chats, I was privy to a new scheme that they're bringing out this year. And it's literally first come, first serve, and it is limited to only a select few. So if you're interested in what I'm about to show you, do use the link below. And it'll get you ahead of the crowd. So let's have a look, see what they are. Now this is what a prop firm normally is. And if you're not sure what a prop firm is, it's basically an investment company that'll put the money up for you to go to market, and then there's a profit share between you. This particular platform that we're looking at in front of us is 50-50. So you get half of the profits, but they put up the money, take the risk sort of thing. And you normally pay a fee up front to be part of the program. Now this is for pretty much all prop firms. Some are good, some are not so good, but these guys seem to know what they're doing. This is where it gets a little bit interesting, because I got an email today, which is here, and I got this about an hour ago. And when I looked at it, I was that excited. I wanted to show you it and get the people who follow me behind it and ahead of the crowd. So I hope that kind of makes sense. I've generally got your best interest at heart, shall we say. And as it says, you can take the challenge free. If you pass it, you pay your small entrance fee of your $300, and then you get 100,000 live account to go. Now that is superb value, whichever way you want to dress that up, because basically you're doing the evaluation first. It costs you nothing, and if you pass it, you know you're going to make it as a trader. You pay a small fee to get a big pot, but it gets better than that, because I'm going to go through the PDF that they sent me. Now they've just put it onto their website, which is this, and the balance that you work your way up to is a 3 million fund with a profit share of 80-20 That is massive. It really is. And let's be honest, it's money for old rope if you know what you're doing. But let us have a look and see exactly what it is, because this is the PDF that he sent me just to go through it. I did ask permission to show this because it's kind of privileged information, and he's very happy that I show to you guys. So basically, if to just blow it up a little bit so we can kind of see it. There you are. It's a free program set up for you guys to show that you're profitable. If you are, and you can hit the profit mark and the pip mark, because it's like a double-edged sword, they will fund you. Now, it's all done on a practice account to start with, so they're not daft. They're not going to throw sort of lambs to the slaughter and let you loose with a massive account. They want you to see what you're doing, but they're not going to charge you for it. Whereas there's a lot of other prop firms out there, they automatically put you on a practice account, but you pay to do that. And then once you're evaluated, you move on to a live account. 5% is a slightly different. With this, it's free. Show what you're worth, get your money. Or you can go on the other setup where you think you just want to go live straight away and earn some profits. You pay your small fee, and then you've got live funds straight away. But let's see what's going on. And they're right what they're saying. Stop paying for failure. Because a lot of these prop firms, they do make money from their fees. Because, let's be honest, trading is hard. And if you're new to the game, the chances are you're going to fail. So they kind of collect the fees on the way. These guys are giving you the opportunity to avoid that. There you go. You've got a 1 in 10 leverage, and there's no minimum or maximum days or trade requirements. It's to do with profit and pip. Now, you can be a position trader and let that run for 10 months on one trade. As long as it hits the criteria, you're fine. But you can be on the other end of the scale, and you can be a scalper, and you can be in and out, in and out, in and out, but you still got to hit the same market. Very, very simple. And as we go down, you've got to hit 1, 2, 3 challenges. And this is the way that it works. It's basically a growth of 10% on each one of the markers with a pip count of 400. Not impossible. If you saw my last results, I am over 3,000 pips in 34 days. Just kind of the way that I do my trading, but it's just showing you that it's possible. Once you get through the 3 levels, you pay $300, and there'll be an increase every 5%. So in other words, every 5% profit, it will up the ante on your account balance, and also it ups the ante on your profit share, because initially it starts at 50-50. And there we go. So you've got your 15 steps all the way up to 3 million account. They do have stop out points and target expectations, but that is straight in front of you. If you move your way up, and even if you're sitting on a 1 million account and you've got a max drawdown of 40,000, that is a colossal amount of money. And to put it in perspective, your 40,000 to your 60,000 will generate you roughly what you see my profits at, for people that follow me. So you can make a very good living off not even getting right to the top. In fact, you could even scale it back to the sort of scale of 9. This one here, that's a 20,000 account. You can make very, very good living off 20,000 drawdown. You really can. So to me, this is, it's kind of a no-brainer. You know, if you're going to set up a practice account and you want to try your hand at trading, you've got nothing to lose. You sign it up, you try it. If you fail, you fail. It costs you nothing. But if you pass, you pay a small fee and you get a colossal lump sum. So to me, kind of a slam dunk. And really, the purpose of this video was just to show you what this is. I think it is head and shoulders above all the other prop firms that's out there. I genuinely do. And that's why I'm happy to share it. And like I say, I'm doing this off my own back. I'm not getting paid to do it. It's just because I'm part of their community. I'm actively in their trading rooms, etc. And why not? You know, they are putting their faith in me as I put my faith in them. And together, there's something being wonderful born. So happy days. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you try it, because that does encourage me to sort of keep touching base with them and seeing what's on offer and bringing this to the table for you. And it also encourages me to show you how I do with my own prop firm trading. There'll be another update on Saturday. Hopefully we'll be well in excess of the 50% mark and on our way to a successful completion. All the signs are looking pretty good. And just before I go, what I will do is I'll show you the markets that I'm using, because I guess the one question you'd be asking is what platform are they asking you to use? It's this one. It's Forex only, so it's all of the major pairs and the major crosses, and it's done on the MT5 platform. And if you look at the MT5 platform to start with, it looks very scary. But if you set it up kind of the way that I have it here, it is a nice, easy way to see the charts. And I have a window of the world, which is the fastest 8 that I know I can make money off. And that's the way that I lay it out. So MT5 isn't as scary as it looks. It's, once you get your head around it, it's reasonably user friendly. So I'll leave it there. By all means, drop me a line if you're stuck. I'm very amenable. All my contact details are below. And as I say, I'll be interested if you're trying the 5%ers or any prop firm for that matter, because it's really interesting to have a dialogue about it. So best of luck, guys, and hope you try it. But as always, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.